In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete a message. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your Messages Enterprise or Location selected, then choose Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Messages. You will now arrive at a list of your messages. Click on the message you would like to edit. I'll choose Example Message. Then in the corner of the message, you will see an edit box. If you did not create this message, you won't see that edit box. So I'll click on Edit. Now I can make any changes I want. Maybe I want this message to be effective for more than one day. So I can click this box and choose a new date. I could change the title if I wanted. I could add another note. Maybe I'll put worked. If I scroll down, I could change this to an alert by clicking this box. I could also turn off the replies. Or I could decide to enable this message. If you don't want to save your changes, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now those changes have been saved. If I scroll back up, I can also choose to share this message with different people. If I click on Shares, right now I can see that this message is only shared with one employee. If I want to share it with more employees, I can leave this on Individual, go over, click the arrow, and choose Employee, then click List. That will give me a list of employees to choose from. Maybe I also want to share this with Kat, so I'll click on Kat and choose Add. If you don't want to add this employee, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now this message has been shared with Kat as well. If I want to email this message to them because I made the changes, I can go to the top and click on Broadcast, then select Broadcast. This email will only be sent to people who have had this message shared with them and have entered a valid email address into their TeamWork 5 account. I can see the results of this broadcast. I can see that this message was shared with 2 people, that 2 emails were sent, and 2 employees received those emails. No users or managers received emails. If you're done editing this email, click Close. And now you can see that the alert sign has been added next to this email. That worked has been added to the message. And the replies are turned off because we unchecked that box. That's how you can edit a message you have created. To delete this message, click that Edit button again. Scroll down and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this message. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that message has been deleted. Again, you can only delete messages that you created yourself. That's how you can edit and delete messages in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view your notifications.